So, you weren't one of the fortunate few to invest in the early days of Microsoft or Apple. And you didn't profit from the internet boom in the late 1990s. But what if I told you that right now you have an opportunity to be a part of what could be the next big thing? That's right, cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency has only been in existence since the creation of Bitcoin in 2009. And right now is your chance to become educated and possibly position yourself in an industry that many say has absolutely massive income potential. Let's face it, the current global financial system is not even close to ideal. In fact, some top analysts say we may be close to a financial collapse. Ridiculously high banking fees, slow transactions and security concerns are just a few of the everyday financial problems that cryptocurrency was created to solve. Just imagine the incredible potential of a technology that solves even one of those issues, let alone all three. Don't worry, we're in no way suggesting that you bet the farm on cryptocurrency. But we wouldn't want you to miss out on what could very well be an extremely lucrative opportunity. Don't look back in a year or two and wonder why you didn't at least do your own research, so that you could confidently make your own educated decision. Take a few minutes right now to learn more about cryptocurrency and the opportunities available to you. You'll be glad you did.